Hello, moneymakers. A few weeks ago, I went on a short hiking trip with a couple of friends. Nothing extreme, just mountains, trees, fresh air, the kind of place where your phone barely gets signal and time slows down a bit. That night, back at the stay, I opened YouTube and searched for survival videos. Things like building shelters in the woods, underground cabins, surviving with minimal tools. Videos I've always found interesting. And that's when something caught my attention. Most of the videos I saw were made by real creators. People actually going into forests, climbing mountains, carrying tools, filming for days or even weeks just to produce one video. It's a hard niche. Physically demanding, time-consuming, and risky. But then I stumbled upon one channel that felt different. At first glance, the videos looked exactly the same. Slow, step-by-step survival builds. No talking, no explanations. Just calm, satisfying visuals that make you want to keep watching. The channel was called Bike Gen Mountain. When I clicked on it, I noticed something strange. The channel had been inactive for nearly 3 years. No recent uploads, nothing consistent. Then suddenly it came back. With just 5 new uploads, the channel started exploding. Today, with only 12 long-form videos, it has already crossed 69,000 subscribers, and one of its videos has reached 11 million views in a very short time. That didn't make sense. So I started digging deeper. That's when I realized these videos weren't being created the traditional way. No mountains, no real forests, no weeks of filming. They were being created using AI. And yet most viewers couldn't tell the difference. That's when it clicked. What I was looking at wasn't just another survival channel. It was the rise of a completely new format, AI Survival ASMR. A niche that combines survival storytelling, ASMR-style visuals, and AI-generated scenes to create videos people watch from start to finish without even realizing how much time has passed. After that trip, I spent days researching this niche. I tested different workflows, different tools, and different formats until I found a system that actually works. And yes, one of the key tools behind this process is Higgsfield AI, which I'll be using in this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you everything step by step. How to find the right survival topics, how to structure these videos without traditional scripts, how to create realistic survival visuals using AI, and how to edit everything into long-form ASMR videos designed for high retention. No outdoor filming, no voiceover required, no on-camera presence. So grab a glass of water or coffee and watch this video till the end without skipping, because this niche is still early, and understanding it now can put you far ahead of the curve. Let's start from the beginning. Before we break this down step by step, let's first understand what kind of channel Bike Gen Mountain actually is, and why its videos work so consistently across every upload. This channel follows a very simple but powerful structure, a mysterious beginning, slow silent building in the middle, and a satisfying final reveal at the end. There is no talking, no rush, just natural sounds that make the viewer feel calm and curious at the same time. Emotionally, these videos trigger curiosity, peace, and a sense of achievement, which is why people keep watching till the end. Once you understand this structure and these emotional triggers, finding the right topics becomes much easier. Now, let's move to step 1 and start finding topics that fit this format perfectly. So now our first step is finding topics. In this step, you do need to think a little if you are doing it on your own. But as always, your AI Maskman has already prepared a perfect prompt doc that will help you at every step of this process. That said, you should not fully depend only on AI-generated topics. If you want faster growth and early virality, the smart move is to use proven topics that are already working. For example, there is a channel called Noru Saru Bushcraft that creates real, non-AI videos. If you carefully observe their topics and then look at Bike Gen Mountain, you will notice something very important. The topics are very similar. This clearly shows that Bike Gen Mountain is taking already viral, audience-approved topics and recreating them in an AI format. That is a very strong strategy. We are not copying content. We are understanding the topic pattern and format, then fitting it into our own style. You will find many such reference channels if you research properly, because this niche still has very low competition. That is why you should act fast before it becomes saturated. And if you do not want to use this reference method and prefer generating topics on your own, You can simply take the first prompt from my doc and paste it into ChatGPT. I have added even the smallest details in that prompt, so ChatGPT understands the niche, channel format, strategy, and viral patterns properly, and then gives you highly relevant topic ideas that actually make sense for this format. And I have already added 20 proven viral topics in my Google Doc that you can directly use. You do not have to guess or start from zero. You can get access to this Google Doc by joining my free groups, where I share all the resources step by step. Or you can simply comment "Doc link" below, and I will personally reply to your comment with the Google Doc link so you can start immediately. Alright, now to show you a demo, I am choosing this topic. This man quietly built a forest shelter while recovering from a life he lost. After finalizing the topic, the next step is generating story scenes. Since there is no voiceover in this format, everything has to be explained only through visuals. That means we do not need a written story script, we only need to decide what will happen visually in the video, scene by scene. You can do this in two ways. If you are creative, you can imagine the scenes yourself, and then give that idea to ChatGPT to convert it into proper story scenes. Or you can directly ask ChatGPT to generate the complete video scenes for you. To make this easy, I have already added a scene generation prompt in my Google Doc. You just need to add your topic, mention how long you want the video to be, copy the prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then generate scenes based on your video length. In the prompt, I have set one scene to be around 5 seconds, but you can modify that if you want. For example, if your video is 10 minutes long, ChatGPT will generate around 120 scenes for you. Once the scenes are generated, you can make small changes if needed and finalize them. After that, we move to the main and most important part of this niche, which we will cover next. Now comes the visuals part, which means generating the scenes, and this is actually the most important part of this niche. You do not need to use random or low-quality tools here, because if the visual quality drops even a little, the viewing experience gets spoiled and the audience will not enjoy the video. That is why visual quality matters a lot in this format. For creating these story scenes, I will be using Kling's new 3.0 model, which is now live on Higgsfield. This model gives very realistic cinematic visuals that perfectly match this silent forest shelter style. I choose this model because using a strong model like this helps maintain consistency, realism, and that calm, immersive feeling which keeps viewers watching till the end. Right now, Higgsfield allows very generous usage, so you are not tightly limited while generating videos. You can create clips up to around 15 seconds long, export them in very high quality including 4K resolution, and the motion, lighting, and environmental sounds feel more natural compared to most other tools. That's an amazing feature. This makes it one of the best options for silent storytelling videos where visuals and sound quality matter the most. Alright, now to create the scenes, the first thing we need is image and video prompts, and we will generate those using ChatGPT. Since a 10-minute video has a lot of scenes, we cannot generate all of them in one go. So the smart way is to ask ChatGPT to generate scenes in small batches, like 10 scenes at a time. This way, the prompts stay accurate and mistakes are avoided. Before generating scenes, we first need to finalize the main character based on our story. Do not worry about this part. All you have to do is copy the prompt from my Google Doc and paste it into ChatGPT. Inside that prompt, you just need to add the information for the first 10 scenes. ChatGPT will first give you a complete character brief, including age, appearance, clothing, and overall look, and it will also provide a separate prompt to generate the character image. After that, it will generate detailed image and video prompts for the first 10 scenes. Once those are done, you simply repeat the same process for the next 10 scenes, and ChatGPT will continue generating the image and video prompts step by step. In this way, you need to generate prompts for the entire video step by step. Once all the prompts are ready, it is time to move to the next step, which is image generation, and after that, we will convert those images into video. For this process, I will be using the Nano Banana Pro model inside Higgsfield. The very first thing we will do is generate the main character's image so that the character stays consistent in every scene throughout the video. So now, simply copy the character prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it here. Choose the aspect ratio, resolution, and number of images you want. Then hit generate. As you can see, the result comes out exactly the way we want. The quality is amazing and looks 100% realistic. Now just download the image you like the most and save it as your main character image, because we will use this same character image in every scene to maintain consistency. Alright, now let's start creating the scene images one by one. Copy the scene prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Along with that, upload the character image as a reference. In the prompt, wherever the character name is mentioned, just add a note in brackets saying, "man" in the reference image. This helps the AI clearly understand that it has to use the same character from the reference image in the scene, ensuring character consistency across the entire video. And here's the result. This one looks perfect. In the same way, every time you generate a new scene, make sure you always add the character image as a reference. This is very important to maintain character consistency. Using this process, you need to generate images for all the scenes one by one until the entire video is covered. Alright? Once all the images are generated, it is time to convert them into video scenes. As I mentioned earlier, for this step I am using the new Kling 3.0 model. You can upload both starting and ending frames, but for now we only have the starting image, so let's upload the first scene image. Next, copy the video prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it here. If you want more accurate results, you can slightly modify the prompt based on your needs. There is also an option to add multiple shots in a single video, but we do not need that right now, so we will skip it. If you want to keep any element consistent across videos, even the character, you can upload its image here. In our case, we already generated all images with the same character, so this is not required, but it is a very powerful feature for maintaining consistency. Make sure the sound option is turned on, because in the ASMR niche, sound is one of the most important elements. You can generate videos up to 15 seconds long, but for this demo, I am selecting a 10-second duration. You can choose the duration based on your own scenes. After that, select 1080p resolution and hit generate. It may take some time because this model is in very high demand right now, so while it is processing, you can upload the second scene image and repeat the same steps. You can also mention sound effects directly in the prompt, so the video includes those specific sounds. And now the video is ready. Let's take a look. The result looks perfect. Here's another scene.
Let's secure this tightly. Almost done.
This one also looks great. This is exactly how you need to generate each scene one by one and download them until your full video is complete. Now it is time to move to the last step, editing. But wait. Before we move ahead, I have created a full course on how to succeed on YouTube with AI, and this course have everything that you need to start your YouTube journey. In my 10 years of experience, I have built several channels for me and my clients, and everything that I learned in these 10 years is shared on this course. You will also get group coaching calls every week from me directly, and a community of like-minded people whom you can network and grow your business. I'm giving away this coaching and courses at just $199 for a year. You don't need to pay any monthly fees like other YouTube gurus, and also I won't sell other teaching for higher price. You pay $199 and get access of my coaching and courses for a year. The link is in the description. Now gets back to the video. For this, I will use CapCut, but you can use any editing software you are comfortable with. Open CapCut and import all your generated material. Then, arrange everything on the timeline scene by scene in the correct order. If the natural sound in any clip is not clear, you can increase the audio level from here. You can also add extra sound effects from CapCut's audio library. For example, here I am adding a forest wind sound effect. If you add external sound effects, make sure to mute the original video audio so the sounds do not clash with each other. I am just showing you the process here. You should use your own creativity while editing. You can increase or decrease the clip speed if needed. Once all clips are placed, go to the filter section and try different filters to enhance video quality. For example, I like the Universe Sunset filter, so I will use that. I will also add the Green Lake and Clear filters across the entire video. You can experiment and choose what looks best for your visuals. After that, add simple transitions like mix or black fade between clips to keep the flow smooth. That's it, your video is now ready to be uploaded. But there is one more very important thing needed to get clicks, and that is the thumbnail. For this, your AI Maskman has already prepared thumbnail prompts. Copy the thumbnail prompt from my Google Doc and paste it into ChatGPT. Also paste your story, or write a short summary of it. ChatGPT will give you 3 thumbnail ideas. Copy those prompts, generate the images, try all options, and select the thumbnail that fits your story and looks the most clickable. So guys, this is how you can create viral survival ASMR videos that are not only trending on YouTube, but also performing really well on Instagram and other platforms. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments which niche you want me to cover in the next video. I'll see you soon. Now, let's check out the demo video.
Let's secure this tightly. Almost done.